Hello everyone, it's Martha here with you, and I'm so excited to announce my next class in collaboration with La La Land Crafts. This is the interactive albums in a box class. I am so excited to show you guys this project, this class, but first I just want to go over the class options with you. So this class is going to start shipping on June 12th and the class will take place June 26th. So class option number 1 is going to be the class only option. So for that, you're going to receive a 4-part tutorial. You're going to be emailed a PDF cutting, scoring, and die cutting guide. You will also get a discount code of 15% off to the La La Land Craft store, and that code is going to be June Class 21. You're also going to have access to a private Facebook group where the 4-part tutorial will be on June 26th. And after that, you're going to be able to access the class at any time forever. And then also in there, you're going to have access to myself where I can answer any questions that you may have before, during, and after the class. So that is class option number 1, and that is $19.99 US. Class option number 2 is the class plus product. So you're going to receive everything that I just mentioned, the 4-part tutorial, the Facebook group, the discount code, the PDF guides, all of that, plus you will receive products. So you are going to receive the Celebrate paper pack. So this is it right here. Absolutely gorgeous papers. You're going to receive the What's the Scoop stamp set. Absolutely adorable little unicorns that we're going to be coloring together. You're going to receive the Spring Window die. So it comes with all of these adorable little dies. So you're going to receive this. Then you're also going to receive the Smile die and the large and small stitched slots die, okay? And I'm going to show you various different ways to use these throughout the tutorial. So that is the class plus products, and that has a value of $99.99, but you are going to receive it for $69.99 US. That's class option number 2. So class option number 3 is the class plus product. So everything that you receive with the class only2 plus you will also get 10 sheets of your lightweight chipboard. You will get 2 sheets of the acetate. You will receive 2 sheets of gold cardstock. And then you will also receive 10 sheets of the light pink card plus 6 sets of magnets. So 12 magnets in total. And that is in addition to your full 4-part tutorial, your PDF cutting, die cutting, and scoring guides, your Facebook group, your discount code, all of that. So that's class option number 3, which is the class plus supplies, and that has a value of $39.99, but you are going to receive it for $35.99. So class option number 4 is the class plus products plus supplies. So that is everything that I just showed you: the class, the stamp set, the dies, the magnets, all of these supplies, the paper pack, all of that, and that has a value of $119.99, and you are going to receive it for $89.99. So that is class option number 4. So is everything that I've showed you. That's class option number 1, number 2, and number 3 put together, okay? That's class option number 4. All right, so now let's go ahead and look at this amazing class that we are going to do together. So again, this is the interactive albums in a box class. It is a box that has 2 albums nestled inside of it. So 2 albums. This is the box itself. We are going to learn how to make this from scratch with chipboard and paper and pattern paper and all of these beautiful goodies. All right, and it has 2 spots for your books, your albums. So let's go through one album first. So this is one of the albums. It has the beautiful spring window in the front here for an opening so you can see inside, an acetate window. Page number 1 in this album has a spinning waterfall. So it opens like this first. So it opens up and you have your waterfall right in here. Super, super cute. And then it closes back up just like this. And it is on a belly band, so it does have an insert right under here. But the special thing about this waterfall is that it actually spins. So you can decide if you want to put your photos this way or if you want to put them this way and look through them like that. So that's page number 1 in this book. And then all of the pages are expandable pocket pages. So you have 2 inserts in each page because they are expandable, but you could fit so much more in there. Page 2 is a side slot closure. So this is one of the places I used a large stitch slot die. So it opens up like this, and then you have room for photos in here, and then it closes back up, and then it opens up to have more photos in here again. And then we have a triple stacked pocket page. So it has 3 pockets with 3 inserts. And then it opens up for more photo space on the inside. And again, you have your expanding pocket page in between. And then page number, I guess, 1, 2, 3, 4 in this book has this really cute little heart closure. It's a little swing closure. So it opens up like this. You could put a cute little photo in here. And then you use that little swing closure to keep it closed. Then it opens like this for more photo space. And then it opens like this, and you have a cool little pop-up page inside of here. And it closes. And then we have what I call the top slot closure. So this is the smaller stitch slot we used here. So this one opens like this. And then it just tucks back in here to close. And then again, it opens to the top for more photo space. And then again, you have your expanding pocket. And at the back of this one, we have a pull down waterfall. So you can put all your photos in there, and super, super fun. And then on the inside back, and I have a little, I use the stitch slot here again to create a little tuck spot for my tag. And then it opens up and it pops up inside, so you have a big pop-up for your photos. So that is book 1. Book 2, again, we have the adorable little window here, and then it opens up like this, and page 1 has our pull down in this one, and then again we have our expanding pocket, and then page 2 is the stacked pockets. Page 3 is the side slot closure. And again, it opens up to the top here. And then your expanding pocket again. And then your spinning waterfall is also in here. So you can spin it around with your little insert under the belly band back here. So this comes right out. And then we have our little swing closure here with the heart. And then it opens like this. And then there's another pop-up inside of this page. And then the top slot closure is on the back page of this book. And then again, it comes up like this for more photo space. And then you again have a little tuck spot right here in the back of this one with the stitch slot, and it pops up again in the back of the book. So I absolutely love this class. So these are just gonna slide right back into their little spots in the box. So they're nicely taken care of. You can store these away. You can use this for a wedding, for birthdays, for so many things, for a big trip. There's so much photo space in here. It's beautifully embellished on the outside. I show you how to completely decorate it. We use the slots to make a cute little tuck spot on the side of it. And we color the little unicorns together. It is such a fun class. So remember, it starts shipping June 12th and the class is June 26th. I would absolutely love to do this with you guys. It is going to be so much fun. All the links for all the different class options are going to be below so that you can go to the La La Land website and decide which option you would like to do. So remember that 15% off discount code if you purchase the class. There's also going to be a list of everything that I used that is not included in any of the class options. So remember, if you need any of those things, to go ahead and purchase them with your discount code. All right, guys, remember, after this class, it is going to be available to you forever to go back and make a bunch more. And I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I'll see you guys all very soon. Bye-bye.